Room 3135, this is a standard room. Let's take a look. And as I walk in, again, this is a big open airy room. This one happens to have 2 double beds, but lots of space. If you've got 4 people in here, you're not gonna be stepping all over each other. Nice little entertainment unit, desk, television, table and 2 chairs. This one is a ground level room, so you've got a terrace with 2 chairs and a table. And I'm going to go take a look at the washroom. Get a lovely vanity. And you step in to this space, you've got the toilet and a lovely shower. So you've got the rainwater shower head, handheld nozzle, lots of storage. This was a standard room here at Sunscape Coco.